Today's video is about deepfake technology. What is deepfake technology? Deepfake is a type of artificial intelligence used to create convincing images, audio, and video pranks. Deepfakes often transform existing source content where one person is swapped for another. They also create entirely original content where someone is represented doing or saying something they didn't do or say. Here, these images are created by using deepfake technology. The greatest danger posed by deepfakes is their ability to spread false information that appears to come true from trusted sources. For example, in 2022, a deepfake video was released of Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky asking his troops to surrender. Also recently, a South Indian actress Rashmika Mandana's deepfake video got viral. With improvement in technology related to artificial intelligence, deepfakes are becoming common on the internet. Now we will see how does the deepfake works. Deepfake uses two algorithms, a generator and a discriminator, to create and refine fake content. The generator builds a training data set based on the desired output, creating the initial fake digital content, while the discriminator analyzes how realistic or fake the initial version of the content is. This process is repeated, allowing the generator to improve at creating realistic content, and the discriminator to become the more skilled at spotting flaws for the generator to correct. The combination of the generator and the discriminator algorithms create a generative adversarial network. A GAN uses deep learning to recognize patterns in real images and then uses those patterns to create the fakes. When creating a deepfakes photograph, a GAN system views photographs of the target from an array of angles to capture all the details and perspectives. When creating a deepfake video, the GAN views the video from the various angles and also analyzes behavior, movement, and speech patterns. This information is then run through the discriminator multiple times to fine-tune the realism of the final image or video. The following are some specific approaches for creating deepfakes. First is source video deepfakes. When working from a source video, a neutral network-based deepfake autoencoder analyzes the content to understand relevant attributes of the target, such as facial expressions and body language. It then imposes these characteristics onto the original video. Second is audio deepfakes. For audio deepfakes, a GAN clones the audio of a person's voice, creates a model based on the vocal patterns, and uses that voice to make the voice say anything the creator wants. This technique is commonly used by video game developers. Next is lip syncing. Lip syncing is another common technique used in deepfakes. Here, the deepfake maps a voice recording to the video, making it appear as though the person in the video is speaking the words in the recording. Now, the next is how are deepfakes commonly used. The use of deepfakes varies significantly. The main uses included the following. First is art. Under art, deepfakes are used to generate new music using the existing bodies of an artist's work. Next is blackmail and reputation harm. Example of this are when a target image is put in illegal, inappropriate, or otherwise compromising situation. These videos are commonly used to extort a victim, ruin a person's reputation, get revenge, or simply cyberbully them. Next is caller response services. These services use deepfakes to provide personalized responses to caller requests that involve call forwarding and other receptionist services. Next is customer phone support. These services use fake voices for simple tasks such as checking an account balance or filing a complaint. Next is, are deepfakes legal? Deepfakes are generally legal and there is little law enforcement can do about them, despite the serious threats they pose. Deepfakes are only illegal if they violate existing laws such as child pornography, defamation, or hate speech. Next is, how are deepfakes dangerous? First is blackmailing and reputational harm that put targets in legally compromising situations. Next, political manifestation such as nation-state threat, actors using it for nefarious purposes. Next is election interference such as creating fake videos of candidates. Next, stock manipulation where the fake content is created to influence the stock prices. Next is fraud where an individual impersonated to steal financial account and others. Now, here are given some of the methods to detect deepfakes. First is unusual or awkward facial positioning. Next is unnatural facial or body movement, unnatural coloring, videos that look odd when zoomed in or magnified, inconsistent audio. Next is people that don't blink. By watching all these defects, we can visualize the difference. Next is World First AI Summit. Government leaders from around the world agreed to ensure safe testing of next generation artificial intelligence AI models at the first global AI Safety Summit held in Bletchley Park between 1st and 2nd November. 28 major countries including the US, China, Japan, the United Kingdom, France and India and the European Union agreed to sign on a declaration saying global action is needed to tackle the potential risks of AI. The declaration incorporates an acknowledgement of the substantial risk from potential intentional misuse or unintended issues of control of frontier AI, especially cybersecurity, biotechnology, and disinformation risk. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, share, and subscribe.